morning. It's our last full day here in Disney. We are in Epcot this morning. It's a gorgeous morning. There's a little chill in the air, but mostly it's nice and warm. Yesterday was pretty cold.
Yeah.
So we're heading into the festival show place it's currently the Festival of the Arts. And then after we walk through here, because we just haven't had a chance to yet, we're gonna go to Norway and get some breakfast because we want to try this school bread we've heard so much about. Anything you want to say?
Nope.
Okay.
I think Norway is, I don't know if it's my favorite pavilion, but I really love it the more time we spend in it. Right?
Yeah.
Sorry?
We'll have some school bread, please. Thank you.
This is school bread from Norway.
I've heard so much about this, but I've never tried it.
I think it'll be great. This is inside the China thing. And there's a show about the reflections. Oh. Yeah. Move on. We're about to watch 360 China something, and I hope there's some Tibet pictures. Goodbye.
With you, reflections of my beloved China.
Here's some reflections of the China Pavilion.
What is it?
It's a really cool video. China's massive and so cool.
I want to visit Asia so much. Mostly I want to go to Japan, but I would also like to go to Korea and China.
Yeah, I would definitely go to like Seoul. It's pretty. I like this pond. Yeah. Contorted mulberry tree. Oh yeah, there's a little bridge back there.
What do you think?
This is legit. This seems like a really good spot for everything at Epcot. There's the little Blair blogs. This is tonkotsu ramen from Katsura Grill. Blair got a cheeseburger and a Coke. From Liberty Inn.
So I'm going to do a little bit of a voiceover here because the day that we were here in Epcot, it was so windy and you can't hear us talking in any of these clips that I'm about to show you. Also, I apologize, I'm sick with the flu when I'm recording this, but I need to record it so I can get it up. So anyway, we decided to walk through the International Gateway, which is kind of the back exit of Epcot, and walk down to the Boardwalk area resorts. The main reason was because we have had our eye on the beach club for our next Walt Disney World vacation, and that's where we would like to probably stay. And so we wanted to go walk around beach club's grounds and go and see the inside of the resort and just get a feel for it more than just looking at it online. And as we expected, we absolutely loved it. It's just a beautiful, beautiful resort, and we love the outdoor elements. It has a gorgeous pool, and this white sand beach over here was just lovely. We ended up sitting on the swing there and just watching the water and just putting our toes in the sand for almost an hour, and it was just such a nice change of pace from the busy parks, and we just really enjoyed our time there. So here we are walking up to the beach club. We ended up going inside and we ended up getting some ice cream from Beaches and Cream, which I'll show you in a minute. But I just wanted to tell you what we were doing here, just walking through the International Gateway and heading over to the beach club to walk around, and we really enjoyed our time there, and hopefully we will get to stay there sometime soon.
This is the Beaches and Cream at the beach club.
We're at Beaches and Cream at the beach club. I got rainbow sherbet.
I got a Coke float. We're gonna go on Figment, or I don't know the name of it actually, but I know that the Figment dragon is from it. I'm excited.
What do you think of that ride?
It was exactly what I expected.
I have realized in my old age that I don't like things that don't make sense. I'm too much of an ISTJ for that. And that whole ride was just chaos.
Yeah, you couldn't. I knew you couldn't enjoy it. The second something whimsical and like wacky happened that wasn't normal, you were like, "This is chaos."
What did you think?
I thought it was like fun. That was exactly what I thought it was going to be. He was trying to teach the professor how to use his imagination because the professor was too hard. It's kind of like about us. So like you like YouTube videos all the time, just like describing things in detail. You could never watch like
I like goofy things that make sense. I just don't like nonsensical things.
That's why
I'm like, what's going on?
Oh, by the way, Blair's switching.
Taking out my insoles because
She was like, "Let's find somewhere private," and I was like, "All right, over here."
Yeah, Riley told me this was gonna be private.
Anyway.
That is a good tip though, and when I do my Disney recap video, I'm gonna include that.
You're gonna say, "Don't do this. Don't use green."
Bring insoles and switch them out because it's like having two different pairs of shoes, and it just helps wear your feet down in different ways, which sounds weird, but
meanwhile,
you hear everyone here talking about how much their feet hurt because it's just so much walking, especially at Epcot.
I got Merrill's last year before we came, and I didn't like them then, but this trip they've been incredible. Yeah, I think it's the end of the week. We've been in Disney for 5 days now. Our feet have had it. 6 days. And our feet have really...
Our feet are done.
Been used a lot.
Yeah.
More than usual.
They're done in the best possible way. It's like the Disney version. It just feels good.
Yeah. I don't want to say any more long lines.
No, I just like your heels just start that pain. And I have chronic back pain because of scoliosis. And it wears my right foot out harder because my hips are misaligned, so I get more weight goes down on my right hand foot. And it's just like, I'm just done. My heels hurt, it's like shooting through my leg.
Yeah.
So, I'm not trying to complain.
It's been a long week of walking.
It's been a lot of walking.
I don't know how much our feet like Disney, but our brains
But our hearts love it.
and hearts love it. Signing off.
In this private pavilion, as you can see.
You can change your shoes over here, change your pants, whatever you want to do. We're going into mouse gear.
The best gift shop on property unless you want to go to Disney Springs. Hey guys, it is about 8:30 p.m. now and we are back at our resort. We just went and we didn't check out because we don't leave until tomorrow morning, but we just paid up our bill that we, everything that we had charged to our magic bands throughout the week. We went and paid that off. so we don't have to do that in the morning. Actually, in the morning it would have gotten charged to our credit card, and we had gift cards that we had acquired throughout, whatever. We paid off our bill. Now we're back in the hotel room. So we left Epcot, I don't know, like 5 or something. We had been there all day, and we had originally planned, we had done a lot of shopping, so we had originally planned on dropping everything, all of our purchases off here at our room, and then going ahead and getting on the bus and going back into Magic Kingdom. But after we got back up here, we were just completely wiped out. My feet have just, I'm just having a really hard time. There's a whole story behind that. I'm not going into that, but just know it, you know, whatever. So anyway, we decided to just have a low-key night, and we just went to our hotel's little quick service, little restaurant type of thing, and I got some pasta and Riley got a little pizza, and so we ate here at the resort, and then now we're able to start packing. So we're gonna get our our whole hotel room all packed up. Because we have an 8 a.m. breakfast reservation in Magic Kingdom, so we need to leave our resort around 7 a.m., which means we need to have our bags at Bell Services. Like, it's gonna be an early morning. So, what I'm trying to say is, we didn't do anything tonight. We ate here, we got our stuff ready for tomorrow, and we're just gonna pack for the rest of the night. Thanks so much for following along with us on our final full day here in Disney. We're really sad that tomorrow is our last day and that we're heading home tomorrow, but at the same time we agreed that it's just been a really good trip, and we've had more than enough time to get all the things that we wanted to do done. There were things that we had on our list of like, maybe we'll see Pandora at night, or maybe we'll do this or that, and those things just didn't happen on this trip, but we'll do them on the next trip, and that's okay. So anyway, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more Disney related content. We are still vlogging tomorrow, and then I have a couple of videos when I get back of like recaps and things that we would do differently, or you know, just different types of videos when we get back. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.